Perhaps we can rest in that hollow log.
Anywhere is better than this wind.
Look at the size of that trunk. It's absolutely magnificent.
Doesn't that look cozy?
Perfect for a nap.
I love it here.
Pulling them up now.
You did it! You really...
Wonderful job, dear.
I'm climbing the ladder.
And up it goes. Steady. Watch the edge there, Snowy. Almost clear.
Wow, it's lifting.
Not a straight line.
But look, it's smiling back at me.
Papa, look!
right up here.
I'll secure it.
Wow, it looks great.
Look how shiny it is now.
It looks wonderful, doesn't it?
We did a great job.
I think that's got it.
Wonderful, it looks so cozy already. We finally finished it!
It looks wonderful.
Yay, high five. Just grab the edge there. It's quite heavy. Don't worry, I've got it. Almost up. Hooray, the blankets are here. There we are. Doesn't that look cozy?
It's beautiful, dear.
I love it, Papa.
और आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर नहीं किया, मेहरबानी फरमाकर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, क्योंकि मैं अपनी वीडियो में मोटिवेशनल और अच्छी बातें बताता हूं जो आपके बच्चों को मोटिवेट करेंगी। शुक्रिया।